just wanted to do a quick video showing you how to do Vortex coils, since I've had quite a few people asking. So just make your normal coil first. I'm going to do these in 10mm strips just for ease, just so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So roll your tight coil, pop it off and expand it. I'm going to put them in a number 16 and a wee dab of glue. Right, so this is very important that you do this next step, because as you can see, all your coils are gathering right at the end. So there's this thick border, and that is just not going to work for a vortex. So what I do, with my finger behind and my thumb on top, pinch the center with your nail. Now you've got the edge of this piece of paper up here. I'm going to spin it round once, twice, okay? So now you can see there is an even spread of layers. Now pinch it, keep in the center, the circle in the center, pinch it and create your marquise. Really pinch the center. You need it to be all those layers. You need to be creating a crease on all of the layers. As you can see, here we go. We've made a crease on the all there. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Now I'm going to make a square. So what you do is you hold it point to point. Bring all of those points together, keeping them together, lined up, and then at the end pinch. So now you've got another marquise. Technically you've got your like a diamond shape, and when you release it, so now you've got this next shape, turn on its side again. When you release it, go very slowly all the way, but don't go right to the center, just then let it release. Just play around with it a little bit. Just spin it till you're happy. And then there is your vortex square. I hope that was easy enough to follow. I'll try and get a few more videos up shortly, possibly showing you the hexagon one next, but let me know if there's any other shapes that you would like to see me make and help you along on your journey. So there we go, a vortex square.